Want to hear something crazy? According to McKinsey, AI could add up to 13 trillion to global economic output by 2030. But here's the key that everyone's missing. You don't need to create AI, you just need to know how to use it. So while everyone else is worried about their jobs disappearing, some people are quietly building new income streams with AI tools that didn't even exist a few years ago. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI business ideas perfect for beginners. Now, I'm not going to promise you this is quit your job tomorrow money. I would never do that. But these are legitimate business opportunities for people willing to put in the work and learn some new skills. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI business matches your abilities and how to get started. So let's kick things off with something that every single business needs, but most are doing terribly. I'm talking about email marketing using AI tools. Here's something I discovered when I started my digital marketing agency back in 2017. Businesses know email marketing works, but they struggle to create consistent, engaging content that actually converts. Most business owners would rather focus on running their operations than sitting down every week trying to come up with clever email campaigns. So what exactly are we talking about here? You're creating email campaigns, newsletters, and automated sequences for businesses using AI tools. This includes welcome series, promotional campaigns, and nurture sequences. The AI handles the heavy lifting like subject line optimization, content creation, and even A/B testing suggestions. You focus on strategy and results. When I used to pay for email copywriting services, I would pay anywhere from $100 to $150 per email, and it would take several days, if not weeks, to get it back. Now I can create those same high quality emails in a matter of minutes using free tools like Claude and ChatGPT. So why is there such a huge demand? Well, email marketing has one of the highest ROI of any marketing channel. We're talking $36 return for every $1 spent. But most businesses either don't do email marketing at all, or they send boring generic messages that nobody wants to read. Business owners don't have time to learn copywriting, and hiring agencies can be expensive and out of reach for most small businesses. Here's how you get started. Master AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Copy.ai for email creation. Learn email marketing fundamentals like open rates, click-through rates, and deliverability. Create templates and workflows so you can efficiently produce campaigns. Then build a portfolio showing email performance and improvements. So to get started, you want to have good knowledge of email marketing platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit. Also, you can go to sites like Udemy and take some free and low-cost copywriting and email marketing courses. Also, you need to learn how to analyze performance data and optimize campaigns, but you don't need an advanced marketing degree to do this. You can learn this through online resources and practice. The next business, and one of my favorites, is selling AI chatbots to local businesses. Here's something that most people don't realize. Local businesses are losing customers every single day because they can't answer their phones during busy periods. I'm talking about restaurants during the lunch rush, salons on the weekends, medical office throughout the day. For something that takes just a few hours to set up, you're building AI chatbots for local businesses using no-code tools. These chatbots handle customer inquiries, appointment bookings, order taking, and FAQ responses. Think restaurants, salons, medical offices, contractors, basically any service-based business. So why is there such a need? Well, consumers actually prefer messaging over phone calls for customer service. Small businesses lose revenue when calls go unanswered, and staff time is expensive. Chatbots work 24/7 for practically nothing in ongoing costs. Most local business owners have no idea this technology exists or how to implement it. So here's how you get started. I recommend using a tool like GoHighLevel, which has built-in AI features like missed call text back. This automatically responds to missed calls, and the AI can do everything from answering questions to booking appointments and even making sales. This creates a huge opportunity because studies show that close to 40% of calls are going unanswered each month for these local businesses. Think about how much revenue they're losing just from unanswered phone calls. And if you want to try GoHighLevel, I'll put a link below for an extended 30-day free trial. This also includes a 5-day AI challenge to help you set up this business. Now, the skills you need to get started, you want to have a basic understanding of the customer service flow and the ability to think through common business questions and responses. Also, sales skills for approaching local business owners is really important, and having a problem-solving mindset to customize solutions. But no coding required, as AI handles the technical stuff. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Video content is absolutely exploding, but most business owners hate the editing process. They'll film content all day long, but when it comes to cutting, polishing, and making it look professional, they're stuck. This is where AI video editing tools come in. Platforms like Descript, Runway, and Pictory can automatically cut out filler words, add captions, create thumbnails, and even generate B-roll footage. What used to take professional editors hours now can be done in minutes. You're offering video editing services for content creators, small businesses, and social media managers using AI-powered editing tools. This includes podcast editing, YouTube video editing, social media content creation, and even basic motion graphics. The demand is massive because video content drives engagement on every platform, but editing is time intensive and expensive, and most content creators and businesses can't afford that kind of ongoing expense, but they can afford your AI assisted services at competitive rates. To get started, learn AI video editing platforms and their capabilities, understand different video formats and platform requirements, and create a portfolio showing some before and after examples. You could reach out to podcasters, YouTube creators, and local businesses who create video content. And some skills that would be helpful is to have a basic understanding of storytelling and pacing. Also, be familiar with the different video formats, but no film school required. Next is AI resume and LinkedIn optimization services. Most people haven't updated their resume in years and have no idea about current applicant tracking systems that filter out applications before humans even see them. AI can analyze job descriptions, optimize keywords, and create compelling content in minutes. People will pay well for this service because it directly impacts their ability to get interviews and land better jobs. Resume services typically charge between $100 to $500, sometimes more for executive resumes, depending on the customization level. You're using AI to create professionally written ATS optimized resumes and cover letters. The AI analyzes job descriptions, identifies keywords, and creates tailored content. Services include resume rewriting, LinkedIn profile optimization, and cover letter creation. So why the demand for this service? Well, most resumes never reach human reviewers due to filtering systems. People haven't updated resumes in years and don't understand current best practices. Job seekers will pay a premium for professional help that increases interview rates. AI can effectively match resume content to job requirements in ways that are challenging to do manually. To get started, master AI prompts for resume analysis, keyword optimization, and content creation. Learn current ATS requirements and best practices, and create template workflows for different career levels and industries. Then build a portfolio with before and after examples. You can market through LinkedIn and job seeker Facebook groups. Now, it's important that you have a good understanding of professional communication and workplace norms. Also, have knowledge of the hiring process and what employees want. Plus, have a basic grasp of different industries and job functions. And it wouldn't hurt to have some client interviewing skills to extract relevant experience. Now, here's something that might shock you. Many small businesses still don't have professional websites. I know it sounds crazy in 2025, but it's absolutely true. AI website builders now allow anyone to create professional sites in hours that would traditionally cost thousands and take weeks to complete. This creates a massive opportunity to serve local businesses at competitive prices while delivering faster results. You're using AI website builders to create professional websites for local businesses. These platforms automatically generate layouts, copy, and images based on business information you provide. Focus on and small businesses like contractors, restaurants, professionals, and service providers. So why the huge demand? Well, a significant portion of small businesses still have terrible or no websites. Traditional web development is expensive and it's really time consuming. Most business owners lack technical skills, but they know they need an online presence. The shift to online research for local services has created urgent demand. Now, getting started, remember that tool I talked about earlier, GoHighLevel? Well, they also have an AI website builder with pre-built templates for every industry like tech, coaching, health, service businesses, you name it. To put this in perspective, I've paid for several websites over the years, with the most expensive being around $10,000, and I waited months for this finished website. Now I can pay someone $300 to $500 to create a professional website in just a few hours. That's the power of AI Website Builder. If you want to try out the AI Website Builder, you can get started with a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel. I'll put the link below in the description. And you need to have a basic understanding of website structure and user experience to do this. Also, be familiar with domains, hosting, and website basics. And having sales skills is helpful for getting new clients. Also, having good project management skills is important. But again, no coding. AI handles all that for you. So if the tech side feels intimidating, this next one uses AI to enhance a skill you probably already have. I'm talking about freelance writing with AI assistance. AI has completely transformed freelance writing by handling time-consuming research and first draft creation. This allows writers to significantly increase output without sacrificing quality. What used to take hours now takes much less time, turning a modest hourly rate into something much more attractive. You're using AI tools to accelerate content creation while maintaining human quality and voice. This means writing blog posts, web copy, email campaigns, and marketing materials for businesses. The AI handles research, outlines, and first drafts while you add strategy, personality, and the final polish. And let me use one of my own examples for rate guidance. Remember those emails I talked about earlier? Well, my freelancer charged me $150 per email copy. But if I bought 5 to 10 emails at once, he'd drop it down to $125 each. This gives you real-world pricing that businesses actually pay for quality content. So why the demand? Well, every business needs content marketing but lacks time and writing skills. Traditional content agencies are expensive for small businesses. AI-assisted writers can offer competitive pricing while maintaining quality. Demand has exploded as more businesses moved online and realized they need consistent content. Now, to get started, you want to master AI prompting for research, outlining, and draft creation. Also, develop efficient workflows, AI research, AI outline, AI first draft, and human editing. Then choose 2 to 3 niches like real estate, fitness, or B2B SaaS. Create a portfolio using your AI assisted process. Then you can apply it at content agencies and reach out to small businesses. Now, to do this, it's important you have a solid grasp of grammar and writing fundamentals. Also, understanding of basic marketing and SEO principles is helpful, and the ability to maintain a consistent brand and voice. Now let's talk about something that sounds creative, but is actually pretty systematic once you understand the process. I'm talking about generating social media content using AI. Here's what I noticed working with small business owners. They know they need consistent social media presence, but they struggle to create regular, engaging content. Business owners would rather focus on running their business than brainstorming Instagram captions and Facebook posts all day. This creates a great opportunity because you can use AI to create a month's worth of social media content in half the time it used to take traditional marketing agencies. So what are we talking about exactly? Well, creating social media posts, captions, hashtags, and content calendars for businesses using AI tools. This includes Instagram posts, Facebook content, LinkedIn updates, and story content. The AI handles content ideation, caption writing, hashtag research, and scheduling optimization. You focus on strategy and building client relationships. Now, when I started my digital marketing agency back in 2017, I used to charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month for these same social media services. And it would take me hours to research, write, and create everything manually. With today's AI tools, you can deliver the same quality in half the time. To get started, I recommend you master AI content creation tools like ChatGPT ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper. Learn social media best practices for different platforms and industries, and create content templates and workflows for efficient production. Then build up a portfolio showing before and after social media transformations. And some basic skills you need are understanding of social media platforms and what platforms perform well for that particular industry or client, and the ability to maintain brand voice across all posts. And it wouldn't hurt to get some basic graphic design skills. There's lots of great courses on Udemy, but no advanced marketing degree is required. Now, speaking of AI assisted services, I actually just finished putting together a complete step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to sell AI services to small business owners. And here's the thing, this method works for any of the 7 business ideas I just covered. In that video, I walk you through the entire process from finding your first clients to closing deals and getting paid. If you want to check out that video, I'll put it up here somewhere so you can watch it. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.